Marg ERP has designed a very beneficial application for their distributors to ease and benefit their business. As we have made the ordering process through eOrder app and payment process through Marg Pay easy and beneficial till now. Similarly, to complete your working cycle, we developed e-delivery app, which will help you in making the whole process easy. With the help of this app, you will be able to manage all orders smoothly which you will receive by your parties, and your delivery man will be able to deliver all those orders to your parties on time. E-delivery app is one of the perfect delivery man app which gives you a facility of managing and operating the complete process of delivery on your fingertips. With the help of this app, delivery man will track live to the delivery location of your parties through route map without wasting time, and they will be able to deliver orders at right place. Your delivery man will always be active at the time of getting instant notification and alerts on new orders, due to which they will help you to build customer relationship by delivering all orders to the parties on time. Apart from this, they will be able to check and manage all orders such as delivered and undelivered, and you will be able to maintain proper record of all orders. Delivery man will receive the reminders of pending orders time to time in the app, due to which your order's delivery won't be missed and none of your party's work will suffer. With the help of this app, most of the manual work will be reduced of yours and your salesman, which will improve their productivity and increases their confidence level. So now let us see how life gets easy for you and your delivery man with the help of this e-delivery app of Marg, for which your delivery man will install the e-delivery app by downloading it from the Play Store in their phone. As app gets installed, this window of start with login will open with few fields such as company ID, username and password. Before the delivery man logged into the app, you have to make some settings in the software, for which firstly your software should be updated with latest version of Marg software, and that you can download from our Marg website, that is www.margerp.com. Now let's come to the software and go to Master's menu. Then click on e-business setup. Then from this window of e-business setup, you will click on salesman setup. Now firstly click on add from the given below tabs on this salesman setup window, and then from the drop down of MR field, select your marketing representative according to you and mention that user ID and password which you want to give to your selected MR. Then feed that ID in this registration ID which is shown to you here by the name of Marg ID on start with login page in e-delivery app. Then set delivery in the drop down of order or bill field and click on save button to save the changes and come to the main screen of software. Now come to all ledgers from Alt plus L key and press F3 key on that party ledger for whom you want to assign the delivery man. Then enter on ledger detail and do enter on modify button. Press N in this delivery man field and then select delivery man for your party accordingly from the delivery man list. Then by pressing Ctrl W key, save the changes. In this way, you can appoint delivery man for the number of parties by following this process. After settings in the software, now let us see the process of how e-delivery app will work, for which your delivery man will go to app and they will come to dashboard by logging into the app through company ID, username and password provided by you. In delivered, details of all those orders will be shown to your delivery man, of which they have already done the delivery. And in pending, detail of those orders will be shown, of which delivery is pending. Now as your delivery man will tap on any pending order from pending orders, then detail of that particular party and their store information will be shown like this to that delivery man, as well as bill number, items which are yet to be delivered, total amount will be shown here. Now if delivery man will face any problem in reaching to their location, like they are not finding address, then they can tap on map icon and track the location. and they will reach to the destination easily. Now come to bill status. Delivery man will choose the bill status from here, that is the delivery of that particular bill is done or pending. If it is pending, then what is the reason? Like suspense means didn't find the address or shop was closed, etc. So whatever status your delivery man will choose here in the bill status, that same status will be shown to you also in your software. So as delivery man will choose hand deliver in bill status, means he have hand over this bill to the party successfully, and tap on submit. So a confirmation message of you have successfully delivered to the customer will be shown in the app as they will tap on confirm. The status will be shown to you in front of that bill number on sales book window in the software against which delivery man have updated the status, to which you can see in detail by pressing F6 key. In this way, your delivery man can deliver orders to the parties on time, as well as you can track each and every bill status of delivery man easily. Now let's take a quick view of the given below tabs on dashboard, in which your delivery man can switch to dashboard by tapping on home. From deliveries, the list of delivered and pending delivery will be shown, which we have discussed in the beginning of the process. Similarly, in notification, your delivery man will receive notifications of all those invoices time to time which they have to deliver. Means as you will receive orders from your parties and you will generate their invoice. So as soon as the invoice is generated, its notification will be shown to your delivery man like this in the notification tab of eDelivery app. Then delivery man will manage their orders to deliver to the parties on time according to their area and time slot. And if delivery man wants to edit their profile, then they can do it from account tab. So friends, in this way you and your delivery man will be having all information on your fingertips related to delivery with the help of eDelivery app. Thanks for watching.